Once you have your classroom set up, like I said, each classroom that you create will create a Google Calendar, and here under classwork is where you can access that. So you're just going to go ahead and click the Google Calendar, and what's popping up here is a calendar that's all together of all of your calendars. You can see I have all of my classes plus my school calendar here. Not much on it yet, but it's all here. If you only want to see your calendar and you don't want to see the others, you can just check them here and check them off. But now that you have your calendars created, and if you want to share that link with parents or with the website, so as soon as you hover over the name of the calendar, the three dots pop up. Click on the three dots, and you want to go to Settings. When you come down here, in order to get a shareable link, you need to make it public. Okay, you're going to make it public. That's okay. Access permission, make it public. And now you can click the Get Shareable Link, and here is your link that you can copy. And now you can paste that link wherever you want, or you can even use tinyURL to make it smaller for sharing. But that's how you get the calendar and you share it. Any assignment that you create here in the Google Classroom will automatically appear on the correct classroom calendar. And as students are in here working on their assignments and they need to know what's due when, they can also click on their calendar and it'll pop up what assignments they have going on and what's due when. So that is how you get your shareable link with Calendar on Google Classroom.